Hello everyone, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Azure Role-Based Access Control and how we can apply that role to our user and how user doing activities using that privilege. This is what literally we're gonna see today. And before to getting into the topic, follow our Azure channel for more Azure related stuff. Okay, so let's get into that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to configure the user first. Okay. I'm just going to map the role to him. So first, I'm just going to map a user. Sorry, I'm just going to create a user in this Active Directory. Go to the user session. See, here some users are there. Venanimous, Venantius, Sunil, some users are there. I'm just going to create the new user. New user username is um, demo user. Okay, his name is demo user, and I'm just going to give this name in this display part as well, and just give the password, which can be this. Sorry, I defined the wrong one. Okay, so now I'm just enabling this account. Then here, if you wanted to give that employee details, like what job he doing and what company, and then what is his employee ID. Like if you wanted to give something means you can update it over here, but these are literally an optional part, so we can skip these slide. And now I'm not going to add any assignments over here. So first we'll create the user. Okay, see, if this user belongs to an L1 team, generally for an L1 user people would give the read only privilege, correct? So that same privilege I'm gonna give to him. So what we can do now is I'm just going to log in him in the another tab. Okay, and then we need to put the password. Uh, Generally, if you are going to sign in with the new credential, you need to change your password as password in first sign in. That is mandatory here. But if you are going to do the same thing in AWS, that's not a mandatory stuff. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, so it's just an MFA setup. We can skip this. Yeah. Okay, so now we are in the Azure portal. Now we are in the Azure portal. So just go and find the resources. See, these people couldn't find the resources, but these people literally present inside my Active Directory. Okay, so if this people wants to do something in my Azure subscription, I need to provide the privilege via role. Okay, that's what role-based access control. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to give read-only privilege. Okay, reader privilege I'm gonna give. Just go here, go to the IAM. I'm just going to add role assignment. Just go here, see, view all resources, but does not allow you to make changes because he's an L1 team. So that I'm just mapping this reader permission to that demo user. Okay, so select the user, demo user. Select him and go next, review and assign. Okay, so now this role got updated. Okay, so let's go and hit refresh. Let's see. Generally, if you are going to update like that, this one would take 2 to 3 minutes to reflect the privilege in the backend. Um, let's refresh it. Okay, so still This one not updated it. Okay, let's refresh once again. Okay, still these people couldn't find anything. Okay, reader permission. This is okay. Hmm. See, now these people can find everything. Okay, these people can find this web server and this network watcher, and all these people can find. Okay, so this is what reader privilege. Okay, so if these people gonna do, if these people wants to do something, wants to update something, wants to create something, means we need to provide the owner privilege, respective privilege we need to give. For example, now these people had a reader privilege, so these people gonna stop this instance, that operation won't work. See, these people getting the error message because he doesn't have a privilege to stop the server. Okay, so if you wanted to allow the privilege, we can give it over here. Okay, so I'm just removing this privilege for now. So I just remove this privilege. Hmm. So let's go to the back. Let's go and hit refresh. Okay, so see, and an error occurred while fetching the resources. Yeah, so that updation is happening in the backend. See, now that policy is gone. So now I'm just going to give the same reader privilege for this SAM RG. Okay, just before we gave the reader privilege in a subscription level. Now I'm just going to give the reader privilege in the resource group level. So what we can do is, I'm just opening this SAM RG. In this SAM RG, I'm just having only the storage account. So just go to the access control, just add this, add role assignment. I'm just giving the reader permission, and here I need to select the member, demo, user, and just go to next. See, this is the scope. Okay, under SAM RG, SAM hyphen RG, these people can find the resources. Okay, I just gave the reader privilege in that level. So let's review and assign, and then we'll check. Okay, so now that role updation is going on. Okay, so that role got updated. So let's go to the hmm, let's check it. Okay, so still that updation process going on. Hmm, okay. See, these people can find only the storage account. Okay, so like whatever the restrictions which you wanted to give, you can give it accordingly. Okay, just before what I did, I just gave resource group level read only permission. See, resource group level read only permission I gave. See, if this people gonna try something, do something inside of the storage account, these people would get that error. My container. If these people gonna try to create something inside of this resource, these people will get the error. Okay, so now I'm just going to update his role. So again, go to the IAM. I'm just going to add the role assignment again. This time we can map this owner privilege. Go to next. Here I'm just going to select the member. Demo user. So select him. Okay, so user got selected. Condition. Um, Okay, allow user to only assign selected roles and then service. I'm just going with the first one. Just go to the next. Condition is required. Um, okay, we can go with all. Okay, if we wanna just go with the next. See, I just gave the owner privilege in this resource group level. So just go and apply it. So that role got updated. This also would take some time to reflect in the backend. Mm, let's check. Let's try to create a container again. Let's initiate the creation. Yeah. See, now that container got created. Okay. So based on the privilege which we are going to give to that user, then that user would work accordingly. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys in this video. In the next video, I'll come up with one interesting topic. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.